Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a voiceover and I will be showing you guys this look I did on a client this past week. It's a very cute and elegant cut crease. I love cut creases, so that's my go-to all the time, and this client has no preference as to what she wants. She always allows me to do whatever type of makeup I'm in the mood for. And I love that because it lets me, be a little free and just have fun with what I'm doing. So here I'm applying the face primer. This is the Pore Benefit dupe that I found on Amazon. I'll be linking it down below if you guys are interested. It's only like $11, which is insane because it's the exact same product. Then here I am applying the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation by Maybelline. I applied the shade 320. And it fit her perfectly, as you guys can tell. Okay guys, here I'm applying the eyeshadow primer. I use the one from Wet n Wild. It is very good, and it's only $4 or $5. I get mine from my local Walgreens store, and it's my go-to. I really don't use anything else. That's the one I pick up all the time. Next, I'm going to be applying the concealer underneath her eyes. I'm mixing two shades. The first one I'm using is from Too Faced, and the second one that I'm using is from LA Girl, and I love them both. They work great together, they blend in seamlessly, and I never have any issues at all. So I am now setting that concealer with setting powder. I picked up this powder from the website Shop Miss A, and I absolutely love it. It is amazing. It is soft. There's no scent to it. And the best part, it's only $1. Yes, $1. I ran out of my Laura Mercier, so I started using this, and I don't think I'm going back. I am using this from now on. To be honest with you, it's only $1. So here you guys will be seeing me set her face with the Maybelline Also Fit Me Matte and Poreless Setting Powder or Face Powder. It's in the shade 310 in the color Sun Beige, and I love this powder because it literally just blends in so flawlessly and it makes your face look so soft. Okay guys, so here you see me contouring her face. I'm using the Too Faced palette in the name Cocoa Butter, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just bringing that through her cheekbones up to her forehead, and you'll see me also bringing it down into her neck. She doesn't need a lot of contour. She has a very nice face structure, so I didn't have to add that much. Hey! So as you guys can see here, I'm doing her eyeshadow. For this look, I started using the BH Cosmetics Ultimate 42 Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I went in with a few transition shade colors first Then I went in with a very light pink color, as you guys can see, and I blended that in well into her crease, and I made it darker by using yet another darker pink shade, as you guys will see. Concealer that I used before underneath her eyes. I apply it on her eyelids and I make her look up, and this gives us the outline that we will be using to cut that crease. I'm using a very small, very flat brush to create that crease. As you can see, she has very small eyes, so this helps her eyes look bigger and also helps the color that I will be applying on her eyelids stand out a lot more. Now I'm going in with Okay guys, now here you can see me deepening that outer crease, making it darker. Here I used a darker purple and I blended to make sure that that line that formed after applying the shinier color doesn't seem too obvious, and it just seems very flawless, very seamlessly. Now I'm doing the bottom of the eye, blending in the pink and purple colors that I used on the top. She made a really funny face here, so I thought I would pause it. Don't hate me for it, please. I thought I would add something extra, so I went in with this glitter by NYX, and I am just cutting even more or making it more defined, so that it can be seen more, and it's in the color gold. It's not that bright, but you can see it does make a difference and it looks better. Now I'm lining her eyes. I am using a gel eyeliner. I have ran out of my Inglot number 77 gel eyeliner, so here you see me using the Rimmel London gel eyeliner, which by the way I really like and I would be purchasing again. So here you guys see me doing her eyebrows. I went in with the BH Cosmetics eyebrow palette. I used the darker brown pomade and I did the front of her eyebrows using a darker, almost actually ash gray or ash brown eyeshadow color to do the front of her eyebrows. She has really already very nice defined eyebrows, so I didn't have to do a whole lot. Just went in with the ABH eyebrow brush. As you guys can see, I love this brush. It is so detailed, so precise. You have to do very minimal work and it really just does the work for you. Here I applied some falsies on her. These are by Kiss in the style Pompadour, however you wish to pronounce it. It's a very nice, very chic, very cute and flirty lash. It is not thick and or heavy, so it's perfect for beginners. This is her second time wearing lashes and she enjoys wearing it. And here I'm just lining once again the eyelashes with that gel eyeliner I used previously to line her eyes. I set her face using the Rimmel London setting spray. This stuff smells amazing and it really does the work for you. I like to wet the face first in order to apply the highlighter. I am using the highlighter from Becca, obviously, and here I'm just applying some more mascara to blend her natural eyelashes in with the falsies that I applied. So moving on, you see me go back in with the flat brush I used to apply that electric color on her eyelids, and I am applying it in her inner corner so that they can pop more and her eyes can look even bigger. Here I applied the lipstick on her. I used the lipstick from Kat Von D and I mixed it in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Liquid Lipstick to achieve that color you guys see on camera. And that's it, you guys. Please let me know in the comments below what you think of this look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos that I have coming soon. Thank you so much.